pineapple at home, so this will give me a lot of vitamins. Good to start the day with vitamins. I need some, I like pineapple by itself. The taste is awesome. I don't need to add or remove anything from it. But then I need some fats also going in the morning. So let me add some cashews. Green smoothies are the best things to have in the morning. So that will give me a lot of minerals. So let me add some spinach to this. Hydration anytime is good and then makes it fuller for some time. So let me add some water and make a green smoothie from pineapple. Yeah, I think that will be good. Anyway, I am not in a mood to do a lot of work now. So this will be something quick and easy. Let me do that. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? It's not very often that I make smoothies without bananas. So tasting time. Let me see how it is. Oh yeah, it's quite good. Very, very nice indeed. The pineapple and the dates have dominated the taste definitely. Very nice. Healthy recipe, filling recipe. I think you should try it. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell. Tasting time is tasting time. Let me grab one. Very nice. Although it was just a pinch of it, I can still feel that light little salt grain here and there, and it is a bit bitter, which is how I like my chocolates to be. If you have a sweet tooth, you may want to add